these ones here are great because they actually use your natural body heat to adhere to your skin.
So this is my fave, honestly. You know what I've actually done with these before is sew them into a dress that I had.
I've done that with sportswear.
Amazing. Hello, I'm Sophie, your host, and I'm here with Vlada, one of our bra designers here at Honeylove, and we're bringing you behind the scenes and taking you into our actual offices. If you love expert bra content, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hi guys, welcome to the design room.
Today, we're testing out 3 different bra inserts and explaining how they work and when you might use them. If you want access to this info in written form, check out the blog post linked below in the description box.
All right, let's get started.
We're kicking things off with nipple covers. So what are they used for and how do they work?
Okay, so with nipple covers, these are primarily going to be used for adding some modesty without really adding any volume. These ones here are great because they actually use your natural body heat to adhere to your skin. And there are some that use a real adhesive, but these are perfect if you just want to wear them under a dress, tank top, or even under like an unlined bra, for example. So you just get a little bit of that nipple coverage and it's really easy to use. They're very light and they stay on all day.
All right, great option for covering nipples. Let's meet up with Melissa and try them out. I'm here with our model, Melissa, who's gonna test out these nipple covers. So right now she's currently wearing an unlined underwire bra, which means she's getting support, but there's no nipple modesty. So I'm gonna have you slip these nipple covers in and try them on.
Okay.
So what do you think?
Oh, I think they're super comfortable, and I think it's a really nice option to have more modesty for an unlined bra, so I like them.
Yes, they're really great because they're not adding any extra bulk. It's basically like you, but just a little more covered.
Yeah.
Next up, we have lightly padded foam inserts. So what do these do?
Okay, so for the lightly padded foam inserts, you might actually be familiar with these from a bikini, for example, but you can buy these pads separately. And what they're going to do is add some really nice shaping to your bra. It might add a little bit of volume because it is a foam, but what you're gonna do is either you can stick it under your bra or directly into your bra if it has that little pocket insert there. So these are amazing for just kind of keeping that nice rounded shape and just giving you a little bit more of that kind of perky look.
You know what I've actually done with these before is sew them into a dress that I had.
I've done that with sportswear.
Amazing. Well, let's meet up with Melissa and test these ones out. So we're back with Melissa, and this time we're going to try the lightly padded foam inserts. So you're probably familiar with these. You've probably seen them before, but they're going to give you a little more modesty than the nipple cover and a little more shaping.
All right.
What do you think?
I think I like them. It gives you a nice shape, right? And so this is something I'm really familiar with, like you said, because I see it all the time in swimsuits and sports bras. But yeah, it's nice shape. Good support.
Well, you know, the reason that they're in swimsuits is because you can choose to either take them in or take them out. So I think it's a really nice way to sort of customize your bra depending on your mood.
Agreed.
Last up, we have these very hefty bra padding inserts. So when would you wear something like this and how?
Okay, so these are going to add quite a bit of volume, and these again range kind of in sizes and thicknesses, but as you can see, it is a very sticky kind of adhesive surface, and it has quite a bit of foam padding in here. So for these, you are going to adhere it right to your skin, and you can either kind of do it from the bottom to really give you that nice lift with that va-va-voom cleavage, or you can kind of do it more from the side, so you're just kind of pushing your girls together a little bit. So again, you're getting something fun going on in the front.
Wow. Okay, well, I'm very excited to test these out. Let's meet up with Melissa. Okay, Melissa, you are back wearing the very heavy-duty bra pads. How do you like these?
I love these. This is actually one of my go-tos, especially for special events where I'm wearing a spaghetti strap with a low back or something and I don't want my bra straps to show. So this is a really good option for me. It's really comfortable too, and it gives me that nice shape and the cleavage I'm going for. So this is my fave, honestly.
Okay, amazing. Well, I definitely think these are the perfect thing to wear for a special event like a wedding or a hot date.
Yay.
Big thank you to Melissa for trying all these bra inserts. And thank you, Vlada, as always, for your expert bra knowledge. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out the description box below for a link to our blog. We'll see you next week. Bye.
Thanks so much for watching Bra Talk with Honeylove. If you need more information, go ahead and click the link below. Got questions, comments, feedback? Leave it in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe. And as always, just say no to bad bras.